Alright, let's look at the homework 7.8, problem number 3. Alright, let's evaluate this improper integral. Alright, so it looks like we can use substitution. We're going to say let u be, let's take a negative square root of x, right, which is negative x to the negative 1/2 power. Alright, then, so this is our u right here. Alright, then take the derivative. Du over dx, which is going to be negative 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 power. So which is negative 1 over 2 square root of x. Right? Then we can just put it upside down. So you have dx over du is equal to negative 2 square root of x. Right? Then multiply through by du. So that we have dx all by itself. So it's negative 2 square root of x du. Alright, then we have, let's see, x is going from 1 to infinity. Alright, then u is going to be, let's see, if you plug in 1, it's going to be negative 1. Right, 2. Negative square root of infinity is negative infinity. Right? So this is going to be equal to, right? So this is going from negative 1 to negative infinity. Right? Then we have e to the u. Right? Then over. I'm going to leave a square root of x as it is. Right? Then the dx we found out to be it's a negative 2 square root of x du. Alright, so we can cancel square root of x on top and a square root of x on the bottom. And also, since you have a negative sign here, I'm going to use that to switch the lower limit and upper limit. So I'm going to put the negative infinity on the bottom and negative 1 on top. Alright. Then we have, let's see, let's clean it up a little bit. Alright, so there's a 2 here. So that's just a number. So I'll put 2 in front. Alright. Then it looks like negative infinity. So this is the problem. This is the reason why this is improper. So I'm going to replace negative infinity by t. Right? Negative 1 is okay. Then limit is going to be t is going to negative infinity. Right? Then what's left is just e to the u du, which is nice because antiderivative is very, very easy. So 2, we still need to take the limit as t approaches negative infinity. Right, so you're going to have antiderivative of e to du is e to du. And going from t to negative 1. Right, so this is going to be 2 limit as t approaches negative infinity, right? Then plug in 1, so you have e to the negative 1 minus e to the t. Alright, so as you can see that, let's see, as t approaches negative infinity, exponential function is going to approach 0, because it's e to the negative infinity is 1 over e to the negative infinity, so it's going to approach 0. So what we get is, looks like there's a 2, right? E to the negative 1 power, so we can write it as over e, right? So this is the value of the improper integral. All right, so let's type it in. So it's convergence. and this is going to be 2 over e. Right? Submit for testing. All right. Oh, looks like I messed up the second part. Let's see. Oh, I found a mistake. All right. I forgot to put 29 in front. So this is going to be 29 here. All right. So then it's 2. So instead of 2, I should have had 2 times 29 is 58. So you have 58 here and 58 here. So this is going to be 58. All right. So let's fix that. This was, so go up, 58. All right. Hopefully this will fix it. All right. It came back and looks like we got this one correctly finally. All right. That's it. I hope that this was clear.